Hey guys, it's Jessica with Build Across. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to paint this super cute laundry sign. First, I'm painting the little clothespins and hangers with a Montana acrylic marker. Love these markers. They're not cheap. They cost between like $6 and $10 depending on what color you get, but they are amazing and they do last a while. So I do recommend them. We use them a lot, especially for little stuff like this. Yellow is a really hard color to paint, and their yellow marker covers very well. Now I'm going to paint the rest of the words on this just a brown, like a deep brown color. And this is going to take a while, so I'm going to kind of skip forward to where I'm finished. So if you need more time and you're painting along in the video with me, just hit the pause button until you catch up and then hit play again. This is a really simple project, really easy to do, not a lot of colors to it, really hard to mess it up. It would be really cute in the laundry room, so it's a fun project. Now I'm going to take a sponge brush with white paint in it and just go around the edges of all the things I painted yellow, the clothespins, the hangers, and just give them a little highlight. I'm also going to do that over the letters. Distressing is really simple once you learn how to do it. I use a sponge brush and I fill it with the white paint. And you don't want a lot of paint in the brush. You kind of want to get most of it out, and you just start at the tip or the bottom of the letter, and you want to make sure you go around all the edges and just kind of brush up and brush down, and it kind of gives you this look. My main thing I like to do is make sure that I've taken the brush and gone around every edge. That way it's got, a complete highlighted look to it. As you can see, I'm just filling in the edges. I'm not brushing up and down on everything. On the inside of letters and stuff, I just kind of go around those. And once I finish this, I'm going to go back and add a little more white to certain letters to just give it a little more of a distressed look. I'm going to take a turquoise color and just add a little pop to it by just hitting it in random places and giving it a little color and bringing it together. The last step I'm going to do is take my brown sponge brush I painted the words with, and I'm going to go back over all of the clothespins and the hanger to just help bring them out a little bit more. They've got the white on them already, so that's going to kind of show through too. And now I'm going to finish them off with the brown. And that is it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share. Let us know if you have any questions. Send us an email or give us a call. Customer service. We'll be happy to help. This product can be purchased at buildacross.com. And we hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much.